Hello and welcome to WebShala. In this video, we'll be exploring what is data science, its applications, its role in the digital age and its career opportunity. So, what is data science? At its core, data science is the practice of using data to gain insights and knowledge. This involves using a range of techniques, including statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization, to extract meaningful information from large datasets. In the past, data science was primarily used in academic research and scientific fields. However, with the rise of big data and the increasing availability of data, data science has become a critical tool for businesses, governments, and organizations of all kinds. One of the key applications of data science is in helping organizations make data-driven decisions. By analyzing data, organizations can gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational inefficiencies, among other things. This allows them to make informed decisions that can improve their bottom line. Another important application of data science is in developing predictive models. These models can be used to forecast future trends, identify potential risks, and guide decision-making. For example, predictive models can be used to anticipate customer demand and to adjust inventory levels accordingly, reducing waste and improving efficiency. So, what skills do you need to be a data scientist? Data science is a highly interdisciplinary field that requires a combination of technical and analytical skills. Some of the key skills required include strong knowledge of mathematics and statistics, experience with programming languages such as Python, R, and SQL, understanding of machine learning techniques and algorithms, ability to work with large datasets and data visualization tools, strong communication and problem-solving skills. In terms of education, many data scientists have advanced degrees in fields such as computer science, statistics, or mathematics. So, what does a typical day in the life of a data scientist look like? It can vary widely depending on the organization and the specific job. However, a data scientist's day might involve tasks such as collecting and cleaning data, developing and testing machine learning models, visualizing data and communicating insights to stakeholders, collaborating with other data scientists, engineers, and analysts, keeping up to date with the latest techniques and technologies in the field. In terms of job outlook, data science is a rapidly growing field, with strong demand for skilled data scientists across a range of industries. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment in data science is expected to grow by 31% from 2019 to 2029, much faster than the average for all occupations. In terms of salary, data science is also a highly lucrative field. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data scientist in the U.S. is around $113,000 per year, with many experienced professionals earning six-figure salaries. So, how can you get started in a career in data science? Please visit www.webshala.in and check out Data Science course to boost up your career. If you found this video helpful and informative, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel for more content like this.